Hello friends, welcome back to networking tutorial. So let's start our today's topic. So in this video, we will take a look at the configuration of the static and default route. Again, the configuration command also we'll see. And how do you verify it, and we'll do a lab where we'll see how do you use the static and default route in ASA environment. And that will be based upon our previous lab. So if you guys missed that previous video, the link will be available in the description box. You can check out there. So let's start our today's session. Static routes allows the admin to create static routes on a ASA firewall using the route command so that it knows about the remote routes. In order to do the static routes in ASA firewall, you will use this syntax. First of all, the route command followed by the exit interface, the interface that I am going to use to go towards the particular network. So this is the example where route command is following the inside, then the network, and then the mask, and at last next hop. Similarly, we have default routes. Basically, what is default route? When there is no entry for the destination network in a routing table, the router will forward the packet to its default route. And the default route helps reducing the size of your routing table also. So it is a static route with a special destination address and a special destination mask. So this is the syntax for configuring the default route, and this is the example. Now you do have the ability to, rather than writing the hold, you can write a single 0 to represent the network and a single 0 to represent the mask. So I could do technically write the command as route outside 0 space 0 next 192.121. When you will go and check the running configuration, you will see the running configuration still displays the default route in its full form, which is this one. Alright, next we will see some verification command. So run route, that will show all the routes that you have typed in. Next show route, that will show you the routing table. So based upon all this, I am going to do a lab. So we have already configured the IP address on the interface in the last lab, and we have verified the reachability towards the directly connected interfaces. So let's go and verify that first, then we'll go ahead and do our next configuration. Let me just bring up my ASA firewall over here. Yes. So interface IP brief ping 10.11.11.1 ping 192.168.3.1. yes, pingable. Ping 192.121. yes, it's also reachable. Ping 192.168.4.1. yeah, so all my directly connected networks are reachable. Next, so route, yes, it will show you all the directly connected networks. So basically what I am going to do over here, if you take a look at the topology, I am going to configure the static route over here, here, and here also. And then towards the outside, I am going to configure the default routes. After configuring all the static and default route, I should be able to reach all the networks over here. So let's go and configure it. Route inside mask 255.255.255.0. next hop. Route inside 10.2.2.0 255.255.255.0 10.11.11.1. route DMG1 10.5.5.0 255, 255, 255.0, 192.168.3.1 root DMG1 10.6.6.0 255, 255, 255.0. Then the next hop, that is 192.168.3.1. next root DMG2 10.7.7.0 subnet mask 255, 255.0, 192.168.4.1. that is the next hop. Root DMG2 10.8.8.0 network, then subnet mask 255.0, then the next hop 192.168.4.1. enter. So all the static routes have been configured. Let's check the route. So root, yes, you can see here. You can check also through another command. So root static, it will show you only the static routes. Let's ping those network. Ping 10, 10.1.1.1. yes, it's reachable. Ping 10.2.2.1. yes. Ping 10.5.5.1. yes. 10.6.6.1. yes. Ping 7.7.1. yes, it's also reachable. Ping 10.8.8.1. yeah, this one also reachable. So here we go, reachability is there. Next, go ahead and configure the default route. Route outside 0 space 0. First 0 represents the network and the second 0 represents the subnet mask. Then the next hop 192.1.20.1. enter. So route, yes, here it's there. Check the ping. Ping 10.3.3.1. yes. Ping 10.4.4.1. yeah, so it tried all the pings and it worked all good. So this is the static lab, simple lab, just do practice. Next lab we will look at the dynamic routing protocol. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Thank you.